Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Let us talk about customizing the user views. Whatever we have been discussing, we use the same thing. The platform has provided and we have just designed our case life cycles. But if you observe the transaction, the earlier transactions that we have run, if you look at this particular transaction, let me just run it. When we run this case, look at the screen space, the way the UI is defined, or how are your forms going to be. Look at those aspects. If you see here, let me just run it. It's taking some time, isn't it? When I run this particular case, you see the inputs as in like the fields that we have added. They are like in a stack, as like one below the other. Correct. And every text, or probably every field, is taking the same amount of space. Correct. Like the same is with first name, the same with the date. If you observe, this is the space that is given for a first name. First name would be hardly of 20 to 25 characters max. Not more than that. Can you expect this huge first name of a candidate? Which means you are not effectively utilizing the screen space. I see a lot of empty space here on the right. This is all empty. There is date of birth. Date of birth. I would choose something like this. Not even half of the field is used effectively here. Same thing with your grades. Grade would be 2 characters max probably. If you get like 100% of grade, you will have 100 but not more than that. We see that the user forms could be done a little more effectively. Even when you go with the other screens, I think. Define the validation. Now even on the next screens also. Again, grade could be a single pointer or a max of 2 pointers. And gap in education also could be a maximum of 2 characters, not more than that. We see that for all these fields, we are not effectively utilizing the screen space. Because you're good. A UI design always impacts the user's experience. How do we effectively design the UI, or how do we effectively define the user views? That's where we talk about layouts today. We talk about a lot of things. We talk about some templates as like how the UI should be designed. We will talk about all these things. Let me go to the recruitment case lifecycle. Now there are certain guidelines that I need to follow when I'm designing my UI. It's not like randomly, however I want, I would be doing. No, obviously, the first one is depending upon the wireframes that you get from your customer as a product owner. That's one major thing. Along with that, we follow a lot of other guidelines as well. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.